This video tutorial explains to you how to get ready to use the manual trade stripper. You can't use the manual trade stripper on an existing chart where the Rule 2 robot is loaded. What you need to do is you need to open up a new chart. So if you've already opened up your chart, then you can add it. If you don't know how to open a new chart, let's go through that now. So you could right click here and you can say chart window, and then a new chart will open. So please pause the video. Please go and do that step now. Once done, you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next step is to add the manual trade stripper to the chart, and there are two ways to do that. You can right click and you can say attach to chart, or you can just left mouse click down, drag the robot onto the chart, and then the EA will open. So please pause the video. Please go and add the robot to a new chart now, and then you can come back to this video and resume the video. The next videos are going to be explaining to you the input settings of the robot, so I'll see you on my next video.